Good morning, dear students. This is Alok Sakya. Welcome back in our new session. In the previous session, we have learned how to read text file, how to write text file, and how to modify text file. In this section, we will perform these three operations on the CSV files. First, reading a CSV file, writing a CSV file, and modifying a CSV file. Okay, for that we have one CSV file, that is serial number. In this file there are 3 columns and 4 rows. In the first column we have serial number. In the second column we have name. In the third column we have contribution. Okay, so in serial number 1, Linux Torvalds, he contributes Linux kernel. Second, Tim Berners-Lee, he contributes World Wide Web. And third one is Guido van Rossum, he designed Python programming. So we have 4 rows and 3 columns separated with comma. So we are separating these 3 columns and 4 rows using comma. That's why it is called comma separated value file or CSV file. So first we will read this file, second we will write in this file, and the fourth one we will perform some appending operations, or we will modify our file. Okay, let's move into the code section. So in the first line you can see that opening CSV file, import CSV. If we want to open a CSV file, then first we have to import the CSV module. To import the CSV module, first we use to import keyword, import CSV, then we will import the CSV module. Okay, with open data.csv in reading mode as file. So with open function is used to open the CSV file in reading mode as file. So file is the file object. In the next line, reader equal to csv.reader file. Reader is the file object. csv.reader is a function that is used to read the CSV files, and file is the file object that we are reading using csv.reader function or method. The next line, for row in reader, we can print the whole file in bunch. Just write down the print reader. Otherwise, we can use the for loop to print each line. Okay. For row in reader means row is a variable, it is the file object. So reader content contains 4 lines of code or 4 rows, and row will print one by one in each line. One row in each line. Okay. And the last one, print row, so it will print the row wise data in our file. Let's check the output. Here you can see that serial number, name, contribution. Now Linux Torvalds, Linux kernel. Second, Tim Berners-Lee, World Wide Web. 3, Guido van Rossum, Python programming. It will print all the data that we have saved in this file. Okay. Now we know that how to read the file. So our next task is how to write a CSV file. So our first we will learn writing one row in a CSV file. कि किस तरह से only one row को CSV file में write करते हैं. Okay. So for that, import CSV and comment the above data or above code. Import CSV and open the file in the writing mode with open data.csv mode W. W means writing mode, and collect all the data in the file object file. In the next line, writer.csv.writer file. Writer is a file object and csv.writer is a function or method to write a file. Now write after dot write row is used to write the content in our file. So here we are writing 4 rows, that's why we are using writer dot write row 4 times or 4 sentences. So one thing is common, that is contribution. Here we change the serial number. In the first file we have serial number 1, 2, 3, but in the new file we have 7, 8, 9, and we have changed the name Linux Rootwards, Tim Berners-Lee, Guido Meirossim as a Akash, Mridul and Gautam. Now this data should be come into the place of first file or instead of original file. So let's write this data. So our data written successfully. Now check the output that our file is written or not. For that again we have to open the file. Okay. So just we will copy the same data and print. Again we are writing and reading, both tasks will continue simultaneously. Okay. So here you can see that now in your file serial number 789 is coming, name Akash, Mridul and Gautam. So our new data is coming, but original data has been deleted or overwritten. As I told you, when we will apply write function, then it will truncate or overwrite the old data and it will save the new data in our file. Okay. So that's why all data is not coming. A new data saved in our file. Now we check the file. This is our old file. Again open it. Here you can see that serial number 789 Akash, Mridul, Gautam. So our data is modified or overwrite. In the next task we will overwrite the data. So how to overwrite the data? For that we have to change the mode from W to A. Okay. Just change the mode from here, from W to A. The rest file will be same. So what will happen now? Till now we have only 4 rows in our file. When we will execute these statements, then it will contain 8 rows because it will add it in the same data. Now execute this with same data. So our data will repeat 2 times. Here you can see that our data is repeating 2 times. अगर हम एक बार फिर से इसको रिपीट करना चाहें तो फिर से हम अपने प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे. Just now our data is repeating 3 times. Like that we can modify our files with old data. Means our old data will be saved and new data will be added in the old file. Okay. If we want to write more than one line or multiple rows in a single time or in a single write row function, then how we will write? For that we have to create a list. First make this comment, make a comment this code, and we will write the next code. Okay. Now writing multiple rows in a CSV file. तो मल्टीपल रोज को हम एक बार में कैसे कंप्लीट करते हैं? First import CSV to import the CSV model, then row list. Create a list, row list. In this list we have written 4 rows. Okay. Now open the file in appending mode with open data.csv mode A as file. Now writer equal to csv.writer file. It will collect all the data from file object to the writer. Now writer dot write rows. Writer dot write rows. In bracket row list. Row list is a list that contains 4 rows. So it will added 4 rows in our previous file. Okay. Now read this file. For reading, open again this file in the reading mode and execute the code. Let's check the output. Now you can see that this data contains this is our old data, that is serial number 789 coming 3 times. In the next portion we have written serial number 1, 2, 3 and we have added the previous data, that is original data, into the same file. So now we have 12 rows in our file. So like that we can perform the operations on the CSV file. So now you can understand how to read, how to write and how to append or modify our CSV file. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day. Soon we will meet in the next section. Okay, thank you.